Mufta Bello. May I create the indulgence of this committee that what we have brought to this committee are sensitive informations and that we don't require the presence of pressmen. Kindly give us benefit of that they should excuse us, please.
For now, introduction
we can.
Mr. Chairman, observation. JAMB.
Okay, observation.
Yes.
Sustain.
JAMB, you don't have that right. If you have such, you just whisper to the chairman, or you whisper to the clerk to tell the chairman. You don't dictate for us when you are here. It's like you're dictating for us. Please, next time, in case of next time, if you have such, whisper to the clerk. The clerk will reach out to the chairman.
He declined me seeing him. So I couldn't have done otherwise. He told me,
Chairman, please ask this man to introduce himself. Let us follow your procedure, please.
JAMB, I think we are at the introduction stage. So please let us go.
order for your arrest. Whatever you think you have. Even if you own this country, please tell the. Even if you think you own this country, you'll be arrested. Useless man.
Please tell the sergeant
Clark. Next time we are going to you can't be certain
You must know your job. Tell the sergeant that this man should be arrested.
No,
Let me come and
the great people here. Look, this is an ABM retired. Some of us are shot.
important that we. No problem. I think it is important that we should not be carried away by the activities of JAMB. We are a very responsible committee carrying out our responsible duty. This committee has a duty. We are committed to carrying out our constitutional mandate given to us by Section 88 and 89 of the 1999 Constitution as amended. We cannot be cowed by any agency rather to carry out our legitimate function. And you recall that we actually invited this agency JAMB to submit their documents, and unfortunately JAMB deliberately refused to submit those documents, and this committee has no intention to wish hunt or embarrass any agency. It's not in our character. It's a committee made up of reputable, honorable members. And we have been carrying out our legitimate business. But one thing the committee will not take from any agency is when the agency refuses to submit documents that were requested by this committee in line with Section 88 and 89 of the 1999 Constitution as amended. And you refuse to submit those documents, and you think the committee can be cowed, that we will not tolerate it. Hence, let me go on with this address. Good afternoon.
Chairman, information, please. Chairman, information, please. Chairman, the information is that the invited guest walked out of us. Please, Chairman, we would like you, we will pray that you adjust whatever we can take care of to make sure that this man realizes himself and come to his senses to know that National Assembly is not his house boy. That he
Of honorable members, that the issue here is simple. Yes, with the House, like I said, we will not condone that habit. I think I will crave the indulgence of the honorable members that a formal motion should be taken, giving them maybe from now till today is Wednesday.
29th, precisely.
From now till Tuesday. Tuesday is not too far. That from now till the committee should take a position on the excesses of JAMB. Yes, human feeling or wearing human face, we can decide to say, okay, let's give them, let's forgive them. It's within the position or decision of the committee wearing human face. But however, I think the committee should be able to take a position that from now till Tuesday, this JAMB should be extended an invitation and make it very clear that they must appear, and not just appear, and bring those documents in line with the power vested in this. Because I think that we cannot be cowed, and I will crave the indulgence of all of us that nobody should be emotional. These are small issues that will come up sometime when you are
Chairman, sir, can I please?
So let's go into on that this thing. I will pray that we should go into a executive section for at least 2 minutes. Then we'll call everybody back for progress report. Our very dependable press, you recall that a few minutes ago, we have all experienced what the agency under our jurisdiction, the Committee on Basic Education Examination Bodies, JAMB, working out from the committee. You recall that this committee have summoned JAMB in order to be transparent and accountable to Nigeria. We requested for 2023-2024 budget performance, implementation, and remittance to the Federation account and their bank statement. We have 3 consecutive letters that we have written to this agency called JAMB, the registrar. And I was shocked, the registrar was not here. And the former DFA who came, you could see that said, oh, the committee is built to embarrass them. Very unfortunate. While we are just on introduction, the committee has no intention to wish hunt any agency on our watch. Rather, our interest is to see that every agency is accountable to Nigeria. So, like we said, we have any intention to wish hunt them, but it's quite unfortunate what we experience. So, we still insist that they must be accountable, they must be transparent, they must submit these documents. And we'll even make available the request before you, and see, you can also see the acknowledgement on the three good occasion that we have extended this request. So we have taken a resolution that we give JAMB from now till Tuesday the registrar must appear and with his team must appear with his team, not a representative. Otherwise, the committee is poised to take decision in line with the power vested in this committee. Section 88-89 of the 1999 Constitution, as amended, must be fully applied to JAMB. I want to thank you